With thousands of cryptocurrencies that are available today, as a beginner who wants to start investing in cryptocurrencies, it can feel overwhelming to know exactly where to start. As a beginner who wants to start investing in cryptocurrency, you don't need to dive into the deep end with obscure coins. So in today's video, you get to know the best cryptocurrencies for you that is more established, widely accepted, and has lesser risk than the smaller or the newer coins. In this video, we also introduce to you the 5 most popular cryptocurrencies for beginners. The number 1 most popular cryptocurrency that most of us already know is Bitcoin, and it's also known as BTC. Bitcoin is known to be the original cryptocurrency, and it remains the most popular and valuable digital currency today. And it's seen as a solid choice for beginners because of its longevity, its widespread acceptance, and stable market when compared to other cryptocurrencies. The second popular cryptocurrency for beginner is Ethereum, with abbreviation ETH. Ethereum is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a platform itself that enables decentralized applications. So this makes Ethereum a great option for beginners. Beginners who are interested in exploring the potential of blockchain technology. The number 3 most popular cryptocurrencies for beginner is Litecoin, with abbreviation LTC. Litecoin is often called the silver to Bitcoin gold. This is another reliable option because it offers faster transaction and lower fees than Bitcoin. The number 4 most popular cryptocurrency for beginner is Binance Coin, with abbreviation BNB. Now, for those who are interested in trading or you are interested in cryptocurrency exchanges, you can consider Binance Exchange. It was originally launched as a token for the Binance Exchange. Binance Coin can be traded, can be spent, and it can also be used in decentralized finance applications. The number 5 most popular cryptocurrencies for beginner is Cardano, with abbreviation ADA. Cardano is another cryptocurrency that focuses on sustainability. It aims to solve most of the issues that other blockchain faces, like high energy usage and slow transaction times. So when you are choosing the best cryptocurrency for yourself as a beginner, it does not have to be complex. Starting with widely supported coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Binance, and Cardano will give you a safer and more stable understanding to the crypto world. How do you trade in cryptocurrency? If you already have the basics of buying and holding cryptocurrency, then you might be ready to go to the next step. Trading crypto involves buying and selling crypto to be able to take advantage of price movement and a bit more active when compared to long-term holding. The first thing is to understand the different types of trading, because in crypto trading, there are different types of trading. There are different ways you can trade your cryptocurrency as a beginner. For example, you have day trading. In this type of trading, you will buy and sell within a single day to help you capitalize short-term market movements. There's also swing trading. Now, this one involves you holding onto an asset, either for a few days or for weeks, to enable you aim on profit from larger price swings. There's also a trading called scalping. Now, scalping involves you making small trades throughout that day to accumulate quick profits. As a beginner, you should be able to choose a trading strategy that fits your risk tolerance and time commitments. The first trading strategy to put in mind is to start small. When you want to start trading cryptocurrency as a beginner, please begin with a small amount of money. Now, starting small will allow you to test without you risking too much. Then once you have gained experience and confidence, you can start increasing your investments. The next trading strategy as a beginner is to use stop loss orders to manage your risk. A stop loss order automatically sells your crypto when it reaches a certain price and limiting your losses if the market takes a downturn. Next trading strategies to ensure that you keep up to market news, major trends, and even social media buzz can all impact crypto prices. Knowing how cryptocurrency works and how external factors can affect the markets will help you make more informed trades. The next trading strategy is that you should never trade on emotions. Trading on emotions is the biggest pitfall for new traders today. When you allow your emotions to drive your decisions, whether it's fear when prices decreases or excitement when prices rises, emotional trading always leads to mistakes. So always stick to your strategy. The last thing I have today on my list is that as a beginner who wants to start investing in cryptocurrencies, you must take note of the security tips that are involved in cryptocurrency trading. The first security tip is to always use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Now, this is the first step to securing your crypto in crypto trading. Weak passwords always make it easier for hackers to have easy access into your account. Once a password is enabled when setting your account, you must also enable two-factor authentication. That's to add an extra layer of protection in your account. The next security tip is to choose a secure wallet. Now, not all wallets are created equal. So if you plan to hold a significant amount of cryptocurrency, you should consider moving your funds off the exchange into a secure wallet, either hot wallet or cold wallets. The next security tips on crypto trading is to avoid sharing your private keys. Your private keys are the most sensitive parts of your cryptocurrency wallet. They give full access to your funds, so you should never share it with anyone. The next security tips in crypto trading is that when trading crypto, you should be aware of phishing scams. They are very rampant in the crypto world. Phishing scams like fraudulent emails, messages, or websites. These fraudulent emails, messages, or websites, they are designed to deceive you into revealing your login credentials and your private keys. The last tip to put in mind is that when you are trading cryptocurrency, you must use a reputable exchange. Please stick to well-established and reputable exchange platforms. They usually have better security protocols in place, reducing the risk of hacks and scams. So now that you have gotten a grip on cryptocurrency basics, and we have explored together how to get started with investing, but we won't stop here. In case you are looking to explore other investment opportunities beyond cryptocurrency, next video, we'll be looking at how to invest in Mythos for beginners. A slight introduction on Mythos. Mythos offers wide variety of options of how to grow your wealth, from investing in loans and fractional bonds to exploring passive real estate investments. In fact, there is something for everyone. So don't forget to catch up on the next video. So if you watch this video to this extent and this video is of interest to you, kindly give this video a thumb up to indicate that yes, you like the video. And if this is the first time you are coming across my video, you are coming across my channel, and you like what you are seeing right now, you've not subscribed to the channel and you want to be a part of this channel, do well to click on the subscription button so as to subscribe to the channel. And always do well to turn on the notification bell after you have subscribed. With the notification bell on, you get to receive any notification once a new video is being uploaded in the channel, and you never have to miss out on any important updates. For those who constantly watch my videos, anytime you come across them, I really appreciate. And also those who constantly share my videos, I also appreciate you guys. And that is why you see today that I have recently increased in views compared to the views I used to get in my previous videos. Please continue to give a like to my videos and continue to share my videos. I really appreciate you guys. On this YouTube channel, we talk about everything related to life, your health, your personal development, YouTube development, business ideas, and lots more. Please do well to always catch up on the latest videos in the channel. For this, we come to the end of this video today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.